What's up guys, Salt here. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video guys, I'm going to be giving you guys a review of my 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro after 2 weeks of use. Alrighty, so right before we get into the video, remember to go down below and press the like button and the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss another upload. Thank you guys so much for all of your support recently. We've been growing pretty fast. But yeah, stay tuned for a 200 sub special coming very soon. And also I announced the winner of my 1,000 V-Bucks or $10 gift card giveaway in this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through. But yeah, let's get on to the review. Alrighty, so I've been using the 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro for about 2 weeks now, and it's just been amazing. I upgraded from a early 2015 11.5-inch, I believe, MacBook Air, so obviously, as you can already tell, this has been a huge upgrade for me. Now, if you have not watched my unboxing video, it will be up in that corner, or that corner, one of those corners, it will pop out, and you can click on that and go watch my unboxing video and then come back to this video. But if you did not watch that video yet, I got the MacBook Pro that was one up from the base model, so it had 512 gigabytes of SSD storage, 4 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, and 8th gen Intel Core processor. It's pretty much the exact same as last year's model, except it does have the new Magic Keyboard, and it also has double the storage, which is very nice. One second, it's cold in here, I need to get a jacket. Okay, that's better. But yeah, it's been so much powerful and faster than my old one, especially I've noticed when I'm editing. Now, I don't do too much of heavy editing. I do mostly light 1080p editing in iMovie, but if any of you are wondering if it like heats up or something for iMovie or whenever you edit, I do 1080p editing like I just said on iMovie, and it gets a little warm, but not that much at all really. And the reason I went for the Pro is because it does have a better heating system than the Air. But yeah, it does not get that hot when I do editing, but then I also use it to watch YouTube videos and surf the web. I don't know if people use that term anymore. But yeah, it's been great for me so far. I love the Touch Bar and Touch ID. But yeah, that actually brings us into our first topic, is the Touch Bar and Touch ID. So I do use Touch ID every time I log into my MacBook, and let me just tell you, I haven't had that on my MacBook yet, and it is amazing. I love that I can just put my thumb up there instead of type it in every time, and I know you can have your Mac unlock with your Apple Watch, but sometimes I didn't wear my Apple Watch, so I had to still type it in. But yeah, I love it. And onto the Touch Bar, I feel like most people either love the Touch Bar or hate the Touch Bar, because I can see why they hate it and they want keys, but then I personally love it because, I don't know, it's just cool to have a touch screen at the top of your keyboard. I do like how you can drag to change the brightness or the sound or whatever. I like that better than having to repeatedly click a key to turn up the brightness or hold it down. But yeah, I do like that you can like drag to change it. But yeah, now onto the keyboard itself. So this is a brand new keyboard for the 13-inch MacBook Pro, but it was previously on the 2020 13-inch MacBook Air and last year's 2016 MacBook Pro. But I love it. It really reminds me of the second generation Magic Keyboard Space Gray, which I have right there. It's almost pretty much the same. It's super clicky. I love how it sounds and how it feels. But yeah, overall, I just love typing on that keyboard. I don't know why. Now, I did try the butterfly keyboard like out in stores and stuff, and my dad has last year's model with the butterfly keyboard, and I personally don't really mind it, but my dad's has broke and the keys get like stuck, or like for example, if you press S once, it pops up S twice, so they are unreliable, and I think I like the feel and the sound of these keys better anyways. But yeah, the butterfly keyboard has now been killed off on all of Apple's MacBooks. But yeah, moving on to the next thing is the screen. So we all actually thought that this MacBook was gonna be a 14-inch or 14.1 inch or whatever, but it turns out it's still gonna be 13.3 inch. So you do still have some bezels on the side there. And to people that use this computer a lot, it does seem pretty big, but compared to my 13-inch MacBook Pro with those giant silver bezels, this is a lot better. And we of course still have the same horrible 720p webcam. But yeah, overall, I love my new MacBook. It is amazing. It gets my schoolwork done super fast. Everything loads super fast. It's great for light 1080p editing, and it's overall just a good laptop. But yeah, if you guys do have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions about the MacBook. Alrighty, so now it's that time in the video where I announce the winner for the $10 gift card giveaway or the 1,000 V-Bucks. Alrighty, so I have the YouTube video link right there, as you guys can see, and I'm going to click pick random comment, and Cooper J has won. I did all the steps. VBuck, please. Good job, Cooper. I'll put your email in your channel about section. I'll contact you soon, and if you do not respond within the next week, then I'm going to be picking a new winner. But yeah, that's about wrapping up for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I am so sorry. I just realized how bright that was right there. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss another upload. And don't forget to check out the brand new merch in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.